Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to learn about the scanner class. First of all, what is the use of scanner class? It is used to read data from the keyboard. For example, you can read an integer, you can read a floating point value, you can read a string and so on. Let's see more about this scanner class. First point, scanner class is used to read input from keyboard. Okay, not only from keyboard, it is also used to read from the file. And this class is defined in java.util package. So whenever you use this class, definitely you have to import the package java.util. And when the scanner class receives input, it breaks the input into several pieces called tokens. For example, see here, if you give input like this input will be divided into tokens. Here space is the divider or delimiter. So 501 will be the first token, Kumar is the next token, and we will see some important methods present in the scanner class. The first one is next method. So this method is used to read a string, and next byte method, it is used to read a byte value. Next one is next int, it is used to read an integer. Next float, used to read a floating point value. Next long, used to read a long value. Next double, which is used to read a double value. Okay. And next point, very important one, we have to connect this scanner object to keyboard as shown below. Remember, in your program you have to write this statement, scanner s is equal to new scanner of system.in. Everybody know that system.in is nothing but keyboard. So we have to write this statement in our Java program. Okay, and let's see one example program practically. So first of all, go to your current working directory and open a new text document and type the program here. So first of all, import java.util.scanner class, and next write the class scanner demo. Write the main method, public static void main of string aux. And now you have to write this statement in your program in order to connect your program to the keyboard. Okay, so write the statement, scanner s is equal to new scanner of system.in. Now in this program I want to read the details of an employee. For example, details like employee ID, employee name and employee salary. So three things I want to read from the keyboard. So first of all, ask the user to enter the ID of the employee. Okay, system.out.print, enter the employee ID. So ID will be an integer. So int ID is equal to, so to read the integer, what is the method we have to use? Method name is next int. Okay, next int. So type here s dot object dot next int, right? Then second one is name of the employee. Okay, so ask the user to enter his name, system dot out dot print, enter the employee name. So name will be, so name is a string, right? So write string name is equal to, so for reading a string we have to use the method next, right? And third one is read the salary of the employee. So ask the user to enter the salary, system.out.print, enter the employee salary. So salary will be a double type value. So double salary is equal to s dot next double, or else if you want you can use float also. Float salary is equal to s dot next float. Now after reading all the input, you try to print all the information. So try to print the employee ID, name as well as salary. System dot out dot print in a new line, employee ID is, so what we have to print, the variable name is ID, right? So write ID here, and similarly print the employee name also. So copy this, name is plus name and finally print the salary. Salary is plus the variable name is SAL. Close the main method, close the class, and save this with the name scannerdemo.java. So copy it, file, save as scannerdemo.java and save it. And next open the command prompt to compile and execute this program. So here a small error is there, capital S. After that, save this and open the command prompt and compile the program. Java C scannerdemo.java, successfully compiled. Execute it, Java scanner demo, and press enter. It is asking for the employee ID. Suppose employee ID is 123 and employee name is for example Kumar, and employee salary is for example 2345.23, and press enter. See the output here, ID is 123, name is Kumar, and salary is 2345.23. Okay. And one last important point is, there are actually so many ways to read data from the keyboard. Like for example, you can use buffered reader, as well as you can also use string tokenizer class. And this is one more way by using the scanner class, and this is the most simplest way of reading the data from the keyboard. Okay.